Hello friends, welcome once again to my exam coaching classes. So today is day number 7 of our practice of previous year question papers. So today also I have brought a lot of questions for you collected from the previous year's question papers. So let us solve those questions, and before going, let me remind you once again about the free course that we are going to conduct. We are going to start mini course on quantitative aptitude, reasoning and English from 1st February 2023 to 5 February 2023. So already I have informed you about this course in the previous video. So those who have not registered for this course, kindly register for this course. And this course is starting from 1st February. Every day we have classes from 8 to 9 p.m. Okay, so how to register? It is absolutely free, and the registration link is given in the description. Click on the link and just fill the form. You can register free. It is free of cost. Okay, and we will be covering quantitative aptitude, reasoning and English, and this is a 5-day course in which I will be telling you the complete shortcut method for solving mathematics question, numerical ability questions. Okay, you need not to go for any coaching, you need not to go for any class. The complete shortcut method will be taught to you in these 5 days. Okay, so before going to the question, please click on the link and register. And if you are new to this channel, I request you kindly subscribe so that whenever I upload new videos, the notification will come to you, and please don't forget to press the bell button. So further, students, if you have any doubt for clarification, if you want to talk to me, you can use these numbers. I have given my WhatsApp number here, and you can call me also. And if you want to clarify any topic, or if you want a video on a particular topic from reasoning or quantitative aptitude, you can put it in the comment box so that I can make new videos on your topic and I can give to you. Okay, so do write in the comment box which topic you want in the next video, and let us go to the questions. So here is your first question. These are the questions selected from the previous papers. So find the rate of simple interest by which a given money is doubled in 15 years. Again, for the last many days, we have been doing these type of questions. So I am sure you will have a good idea about what is simple interest, what is compound interest, everything. So we have simple interest formula is what? Simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Now what is given? The rate of simple interest. What we need to find out is rate is we want to find out by which a given money is doubled in 15 years. So if you are investing 100 rupees, this will become 200 rupees. If you are investing P, it will become 2P. And how it will become 2P? If you are investing 100 rupees, your interest also will be 100. So this will become 200. So this 200 means 100 we have invested, that is our investment, and 100 rupees we got interest. So investment and interest total, it becomes double. And in how many years it become double? The time is also given is equal to 15 years. So let us take, this is the principal amount 100 rupees and total amount will be 200. That means interest also will be equal to 100. So we got SI, simple interest, also 100 rupees because we are investing 100. You can take it as 1 rupee, 10 rupee, 100 rupee, 1000 rupees, or you can take it as P, 2P, like that. Any method you can do. Now we want what is the rate of interest. Rate of interest we need to find out. So now from here we can say 100 SI is equal to PRT. 100 rupees we have invested into R. That is what we need to find out, into time is 15 years. Now you can cut this 100 and this 100. So R into 15 equal to 100. So R will be equal to what? 100 divided by 15. 100 divided by 15, you can cut with the 5 20 times, here 5 3 times. So 20 divided by 3. 23 will go in 20 6 times. Balance 2. So 2 by 3. This is the percentage. So 6 2 by 3 is the answer. So from the option you can mark 6 2 by 3 is the correct answer. So if you do all these things, it is a time consuming method. So we want what? We want shortcut method. So shortcut method is what? Find the rate of simple interest by which a given money is doubled in 15 years. Whenever we have this word doubled, mark all this word, mark all these questions. Whenever we have this word doubled, then use the formula as 100 is equal to 100 R by 100 into time. Time is given what? 15 years. 100 equal to 100 R by 100 into time. So now you can cut this 100 and 100. You can easily mark it as 100 by 15. So it will become 62 by 3. Accordingly, we will mark this as the correct option. So doubled means when simple interest, understand this question very clearly, we have simple interest here and the money is doubled. When the money is doubled, you can mark it as directly rate of interest will be equal to 100 by time. Rate of interest will be equal to 100 by time. I hope it is clear to you. So let us go to the next question. Mark all this important formula. Next question. A train 150-meter long passes a pole in 10 seconds. What is the speed in kilometer per hour? So here what is given? Here length of the train is 150 meter. So we will take this type of question, speed, distance and time. All this question comes in speed, distance and time. So this length of the train we will take as distance. And it covers, time is given to you, time is equal to 10 seconds. What is the speed? Speed is what we need to find out. So speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to distance upon time. That is a formula. We know this formula and we have already completed this formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. So according to this formula, we got speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to distance is 150 meter divided by time is 10 second. So this is equal to 15 meter per second. But we don't want the answer in meter per second. We want the answer in kilometer per hour. So let me explain this concept to you. Then we will solve this. We want 15 meter per second. We have to convert into kilometer per hour. How to convert that? Let me explain this. We have 1 kilometer per hour. This is already explained in the previous video. You can watch those videos if you are not clear about this. Okay, let me explain it once again here. 1 kilometer per hour means 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. Each minute is equal to 60 second. So this means 1000 meter divided by 3600 second. So now you can cut these two zeros and these two zeros. This is equal to 10. 2 will go 5 times. In 36, 2 will go 18 times. So 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So this formula you have to remember, very, very important. Now there is a conversion. How to convert? How to convert? So this is very, very important. How to convert this? 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second, and 1 meter per second is equal to, when you come back, this will become reciprocal, ulta ho jayega, 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this is very, very important formula for you, and you have to remember this formula before going to your exam. अगर आपको किलोमीटर से मीटर पर सेकंड में करना है तो 5/18 से मल्टीपल करना है। अगर आपको मीटर पर सेकंड को किलोमीटर पर आवर में करना है तो 18/5 से मल्टीपल करना है। अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी क्लियरली। इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर पर आवर टू मीटर पर सेकंड, multiply by 5/18. If you want to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, you have to multiply by 18/5. This value is very, very important. 5/18 and 18/5. How we got this 5/18? 1 kilometer per hour मीटर पर सेकंड में करने से हमें 5/18 मिल जाएगा. So 1 kilometer per hour you want to convert into meter per second, you have to multiply by 5/18. और मीटर पर सेकंड को किलोमीटर पर आवर में करना है तो we want to multiply by 18/5. Now let us come to this part. We have 15 मीटर पर सेकंड. मीटर पर सेकंड को किलोमीटर पर आवर में आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. So we will multiply by 18/5. So 15 को 18/5 से मल्टीपल करो. So here 5 in 15 3 times, 3 into 18 54. So 54 kilometer per hour is the answer. Accordingly you can mark 54 kilometer per hour is the correct answer. Option B. Option B is your correct answer. Understand this very, very clearly. All this calculation you need not to do. ये सारा calculation आपको exam hall में नहीं करना है. ये याद रखना. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5/18 meter per second. 1 meter per second is equal to 18/5 kilometer per hour. मीटर पर सेकंड को किलोमीटर पर आवर में कैसे करना है, सिमिलरली किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकंड में कैसे करना है, this you should be very, very thorough. I hope you understood it. Still, if you are doubt, we have already uploaded a video on this and kindly watch that. So let us go to the next question. Again, simple interest वाला question है. If a sum of money at simple interest doubles in 6 years, again 100 rupees will become 200 rupees in 6 years. Then when it will become 4 times. So first what we will do, first we will find out what is rate. So 100 rupees will become 200 rupees in 6 years. Whenever we have in simple interest doubles, we have rate is equal to 100 by time. That is equal to 100 by 6. That is a percentage rate. Now when it will become 4 times, so P will become 4P when we have P is invested and 3P is the interest. Means if we are depositing 100 rupees, this will become 400. That means 100 rupees we have deposited and 300 rupees is our interest. So that means SI is equal to PRT by 100. So that means 3P is equal to P into R is given 100 by 6 into T. T is in how many years? That is what we need to find out, divided by 100. Cut this P and this P and cross multiple करने से you will get 3 into 100 is equal to 100 by 6 into T. This 100 and this 100 you can cut. So cross multiply 3 into 6, 18 is equal to T. So we got time is equal to 18 years. So accordingly you can mark the correct option as 18 years. First what we have to find out? First we will find out what is the rate of interest. Using that rate of interest, second part we will find out in how many years it will become 4 times. First doubles, first 6 years में double होता है और 18 years में 4 times होते हैं. Okay, so next question. This type of questions are very important. Two cylindrical jar have their diameters in the ratio 3:1 and their heights are in the ratio 1:3. the ratio of their capacity is. So first of all, let us understand if there is a cylinder like this, and this is a cylinder, suppose. Here, this is the height, and this is the diameter. So when you take the diameter, radius will be equal to half of diameter. Radius will be equal to half of diameter. Now what is given? We need to find their capacity. So first we should understand what is the formula for capacity of a cylinder. So capacity of a cylinder is volume of a cylinder. Capacity of cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. This formula we have to remember. Now what is given? There are two cylindrical jars. The first one is diameter in the ratio 3:1. Diameter 3:1 means their radius also will be in the ratio 3:1, and their heights are in the ratio 1:3. So what is the ratio of their capacities? So here R1 is 3 and R2 is 1. Here H1 is 1, H2 is 3. So what is the ratio of their capacity? Pi R1 square H1 divided by pi R2 square H2. You can cut this pi and pi cancel. R1 square, R1 is how much? 1 by 2. They are in the ratio. R1 is 3. So 3 by 2. D is given 3. So 3 by 2 square into 1 divided by R2. R2 is how much? 1. 1 by 2 square into 3. So this will become 9 by 4 divided by 3 by 4. 4 and 4 cancelled. This will become 9 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 1. So 3:1 is the ratio. So 3:1, you can mark option A as the correct answer. Understand this formula. This formula is very, very important. Pi r square h, that is the volume, or you can say capacity, and ratio of the diameter is given 3:1. So radius can be taken as diameter divided by 2 is equal to radius. So 3 by 2 is the radius for first cylinder, and 1 by 2 is the radius for second cylinder. This is R1 and this is R2. Similarly, 1:3 is the ratio given for H. So for 1:3, this is H1 and this is H2. Putting it in the formula, we got this one. And on simplification, we got 3:1. So this formula is very important. Pi r square h, that is the volume of a cylinder. Kindly note it, and then next to the next question. 2/5 of 1/4 of 3/7 of a number is 15. What is half of that number? 2/5 of 2 by 5. 2/5 of 1/4 of 3/7 of a number x is equal to 15. What is the half of that number? So this number x we have to find out first. So you can cut this 2 and this 4 2 times. So it will become 3x by 5 2s are 10, 10 into 7, 70 equal to 15. So you can cut 3 or 15 5 times. X is equal to 5 into 70, 350. We want what? Half of the number. So what is half of 350? Half of 350 will be 350 divided by 2, 175. So accordingly, we can mark the correct option as option E, 175. Simple question. Go to the next. If the cost of 7 kgs of rice is 168, 7 kg of rice equal to 168. So 1 kg will be equal to 168 divided by 7. And cost of 105 kg. So 105 kg equal to 168 by 7 into 105. This will become 7 in 10 one time, 35 5 times. So 168 into 15. That is the cost of 105 kg. But what we want, find 10% of the cost of that. What is 10% of this number? 10% of this number. So 10% is equal to 10 by 100 into 168 into 15. You can cut this 10 in 100 10 times. Cut this 5 3 times. Here 5 2 times. Here 2 will go in this 84 times. So the total will be 3 4s are 12, balance 1, 24 plus 1, 25. 252 will be the 10% of this number. So 252 is the correct answer. Accordingly, you can mark option A as the correct answer. What is the 10% of the cost of this number? 10% of the total we need to find out. So 10% will be 252 rupees. So these questions are easy questions. Whenever you go for competitive exams like IBPS, SSC and all, some of the questions will be very easy and you can mark it as correct answer very quickly. Okay. So once again, I remind you, if you have not subscribed for this channel, I request you kindly subscribe and please register yourself for the free course. Free course is starting from February 1st to 5 February. And the classes will be from 8 to 9 p.m. and register now. The link is given in the description and you have to fill the form and register. It's absolutely free. Okay. So we'll meet with more questions in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.